welcome back to my channel, Queen's Vision. For those that are new, welcome, and for those that are subscribed, welcome back. So I am definitely all dressed up. It's a date night and I'm going out to my favorite restaurant called Bar Louie. It's in like La Centera Plaza, if you're familiar with that. If you're from Houston, Texas, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, let's jump into this video because I am in a rush and I'm trying to get there before the kitchen closes. And it closes at 1 and it is about 10 o'clock almost. And I don't know if this looks weird, I'm using one of my new tripods. Camera was right here on top of my table, more up close. See how y'all like it, what's going on? I don't know, I kind of like it, I kind of don't. So let's jump into our September Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I'm excited, I already unsealed it. So this is how it looks like inside. And I'm just gonna try to run through this because I am ready to go on to the restaurant and go and eat. So it's so hot. So just comes with a little paper thingy, like always. Not for that. So we got some makeup products and one skincare product. So I'll just start with the skincare product. And this is by LYS Beauty, L.YS Beauty. And this is Think Deep Pore Minimizing Detox Mask with pomegranate and charcoal. And let's see. It says apply a thin layer all over the face or T-zone twice a week. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. This is the packaging. And I do not have my nails done, so don't mind me. I'm giving them a breather. I've had like exfoliators and toners, but I haven't used like a detox mask. And charcoal, anything that has charcoal usually gives my skin like an allergic reaction, so we'll test it out. Next we got some beauty sponges, yay, because mine are all dirty. These are by Basic Beauty. What a cute name, Basic Beauty. And beauty sponge sets, they're cruelty free, and I mean, y'all know what these are used for, just to blend your makeup away. And it comes with like a nice little tapered one that they normally come like, and then one that's like shaped and domey like this. So all over like your face and contour, blush creams, anything cream. So it's really good because I have some cream blushes from Ipsy I've been wanting to use. So this, I forgot which one it came in, but this came in one of them. And look, I've kind of dipped my fingers in it, but look how pretty they are. So yeah, next we have, before one of my choo-choos pop out, is by Luna Magic, and it's the Soft Perfection Foundation Powder Tan. If y'all saw my other Boxycharm video, my last one, which was August, I just finished it, so it will be uploaded hopefully by the time it will be uploaded by the time y'all see this video. August one, my problem, I got way too tan and the makeup was still on like medium or light medium, I believe. So I had to go and change it, and I did change it to medium tan, and it worked. But now I have to change it back whenever I get light again. This is the packaging. The magic. I'm blind, so it's kind of hard to see from here what I'm doing, but I'm going with it. It has a nice little mirror, and this is the color, guys. Yay! It's not light or fair what they were giving me, so this is definitely going to work. So I'm super excited. I'm like, yes. Now we got the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. So I'm excited. This is my color. This is, I hope y'all can see that. Finally, so it worked, guys. Okay, if you ever go through a situation like I did, just know to change it. And it comes with a little sponge tip dome applicator. And this is to brighten underneath the eyes, dot over your concealer, and blend with a sponge. For an all-over glow, apply anywhere you normally would highlight, so the center of your forehead, above your cheekbones, your cupid's bow, or down in the center of your nose for a nice glow. Now our last product is by Mo Beauty, and this is a Precision Brow Pencil and Brush, divinely divined, I mean. And this is the brush side. And, oh, it's one of these. I love these. Oh my god. They glide on so easily, so smoothly, and so natural. Like, you don't even have to do so much work, and it just gives you that nice, beautiful, natural finish. Oh my god. So that is about it. I made it nice, short, and simple. And the simpler, the better, and the faster. Not keep up most of y'all's time, but that is what I got for September shipped out already, so I'm already thinking forward. But my September Boxycharm by Ipsy dress, it's like a, let's see, go to wear to Puerto Rico, and it got here whenever I arrived back from Puerto Rico, and it got lost and all this crazy stuff. It's supposed to be like a cover-up, or I was just gonna use it for like a dinner out and about. You can wear it like this. Someone else wore it with a bikini underneath. My clothes, I was supposed to wear in Puerto Rico and Houston. Certain occasions, just making it work. But see y'all on the next video. Love y'all. Next time. Bye.